Hello guys and welcome back to another awesome Garage 19 video by yours truly, DJens19 on Instagram if you wanna hit me up. Today we're doing the same day as my last video where I upgraded my brakes, so if you wanna check that out you should, because now I got some beautiful drilled and slotted rotors. So today I got myself this package in here, and by the title of the video you could already guess what it is, but I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. So let's open this bitch up. Oh baby, holy shit, that is sick. Alright guys, this is my carbon fiber high kick M4 style spoiler. Let's get it installed. Let's fucking install this on the car right now. So obviously before I do anything at all, I gotta figure out a way to properly mount this on the car. On the other spoiler that I had on my other car, inside, I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a sort of a groove or whatever. This one is literally like flat, so I have no idea where I'm gonna put the 3M tape. First, gonna figure out a way to mount the tape without making it so that water could get through or ice or anything at all, because we live in Canada here, and if the ice gets in between it could unglue this from the car, and we don't want that. So first I'm gonna figure out what to do with the 3M situation. Then we're gonna take like regular painter's tape, and or I play hockey, so I have hockey tape, and I'm gonna fix it to the car, tape it where I want it to be, and then apply the 3M tape, remove all the backing of it, and then just like flip it on the car and then press down. That is the most perfect size that I've ever had to use. It fit perfectly. I had no problem. Oh, I have a little bit of bubbles there, but you didn't see that. I guess I could just cut them out. There we go. Oh, perfect. Okay. So basically now this is ready to go straight onto the car. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like a piece of tape and tape it onto here, but onto the inside, so I could place it on the car and I could pull that tape or whatever I take to just pull it all and start peeling the tape from under itself, I guess you can say, so that it's already placed on the car. I like where it is and it won't move. So that's the plan. Guys, so here is the final product. If you like what you've seen in this video, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you can, because we're obviously going to be making a lot of more cool mods to this car. Now, if you're interested, so just subscribe. And at the same time, why don't you put that push notification bell so you can make your car look awesome at home and you'll enjoy it more because you yourself did it. I'll leave it at that, guys. So that's it for today. I've worked enough in the past 2 days on this car with the brakes. Again, these beautiful bad boys here, as well as the brand new carbon fiber spoiler being the M4 whatever. Thank you for tuning in again, guys. I hope I gave some good tips that I picked up over the years. I'll catch you guys in the next video.